If you've ever struggled choosing the right pneumatic nailer or stapler for your workshop, you're in the right place. Today we're ranking 5 of the best options from weakest to best, so stick around to see which one truly deserves a spot in your toolbox. Let's start with the Pneumatic, our entry-level pick and the weakest performer in this lineup. It's a 2-in-1 pneumatic tool designed for light-duty work, ideal if you're just starting out or working on small upholstery and craft projects. The NPT 5040 does offer a fair mix of features for its price. It handles both brad nails and staples, has a 360-degree adjustable exhaust, and comes with a carrying case and safety glasses right out of the box. For casual DIY users, that's a nice bonus. The build feels decent for the cost, and it's strong enough to handle trim and furniture repair. However, the biggest downside is its weight and refinement. At over 5 pounds, this one feels noticeably heavier than the competition, and its finish isn't as polished. You might also notice some inconsistencies in driving depth, especially on tougher materials, not ideal for professional results. Overall, this is a decent entry tool for someone just getting into woodworking or home repairs. If you want something that can handle more frequent use or offer smoother precision though, you'll definitely want to look further up our list. And remember, links to all the products we're reviewing today are in the description below, so you can grab the best prices while you watch. Next up, we have the WORKPRO. Think of this as the budget-friendly all-rounder that steps things up a notch from the Pneumatic. It's lighter, a little more balanced, and offers solid value for DIYers who want flexibility without spending a fortune. The best thing about this tool is its versatility. You can switch between nails and staples easily, and it comes with a depth adjustment wheel and a quick-release jam feature. The 360-degree adjustable exhaust helps keep debris out of your face, which is something you don't see often at this price point. For small furniture or trim work, this tool does a surprisingly good job. That said, it's not without its flaws. While it performs better than the Pneumatic, it still has occasional jamming issues, especially when you're working with longer fasteners. And at just over 4 pounds, it's still a bit heavier than some premium brad nailers, so if you're planning long hours of work, fatigue might creep in. This one's perfect for hobbyists and occasional users who want a reliable budget option for light carpentry, upholstery, or crafting. And hey, if you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews like this every week. In the middle of our list sits the Aero PT50, one of the most popular pneumatic staplers out there. This one's not a nailer, it's strictly a stapler, but within that category, it's a workhorse that's built to last. It's compact, easy to handle, and perfect for insulation, upholstery, or carpet work. The PT50 earns points for being oil-free, meaning less maintenance and no messy stains on your projects. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold, and the Easy Load magazine makes reloading simple. The contact safety mechanism adds an extra layer of protection, and the adjustable exhaust helps direct air away from your workspace. The downside is, of course, that it's limited to staples only. If you need something that can also handle nails or heavier trim work, this isn't the tool for you. It also lacks depth adjustment, so you'll need to rely on air pressure to control drive depth. If your main focus is stapling, think upholstery, insulation, or light assembly, this is a solid and dependable tool that will serve you well for years. Now moving into the premium territory, we have the DEWALT. This one's a true professional grade tool that delivers reliability and precision every time you fire a nail. It's lightweight, well balanced, and built from magnesium, which keeps it both durable and easy to maneuver. This DEWALT is all about smooth operation. The sequential trigger gives you control, the depth adjustment dial makes fine-tuning easy, and the rear exhaust helps keep your workspace clean. The tool-free jam release and non-marring nose tip show that it's designed with user convenience in mind. Whether you're working on trim, molding, or cabinetry, it drives brads cleanly and consistently. As for downsides, it's still pneumatic, which means you'll need an air compressor and hose. It also maxes out at 2-inch nails, which could limit it for some heavy applications. But those are minor complaints in what is otherwise an excellent all-around performer. If you're serious about woodworking or remodeling and want a dependable brad nailer that's light, strong, and precise, this DEWALT is definitely worth a look. Finally, at the top of our list, the BOSTITCH. This is the best pneumatic brad nailer of the bunch, combining precision, build quality, and ease of use in one excellent package. It's perfect for anyone who values control and finish quality above all else. The standout feature here is the Smart Point nose. It's smaller and more precise than most other nailers, giving you excellent visibility in tight spaces. Add the dial of depth control, tool-free jam release, and selectable trigger, and you've got a tool that's versatile enough for everything from baseboards to detailed trim. It's oil-free, lightweight, and built for clean, professional results. There's really not much to complain about with this one. It's pneumatic, so you'll still need a compressor, but beyond that, it's hard to find fault. For most users, this tool simply gets the job done faster and cleaner. If you're a pro or a serious DIYer who values performance, accuracy, and reliability, the BOSTITCH sits comfortably at the top of the pack, and it absolutely earns its spot as the best pneumatic nailer in this lineup. So there you have it, 5 of the best pneumatic staplers and nailers ranked from weakest to best. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned pro, there's a perfect match for every type of project here. Check out all the top picks and best prices using the links in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest tool reviews every week.